APC leadership are saying that Igbo people have agreed to vote APC, TINUBU, and that we have agreed that TINUBU is going to continue with his tenure.
We must work collectively to build a stronger, more cohesive APC. My brothers and sisters, politics is a game of numbers, not sentiments. The era of wasting our votes on emotional choices that yield no political capital is over. There is no point to be made in failure. A vote cast where it does not count towards success is an opportunity lost at the negotiation table. We cannot ask for dividends where we have not invested as Igbo people. The vote in our hand is our currency for investment. The shortest, most viable route for our political zone to end federal power in the center, in the nearest future, lies in building strong strategic alliances over time. By supporting the Southwest and President TINUBU at this time, we strengthen trust, we foster reciprocity, and we cement our place at the center of national decision making.
The supreme interest of Ndibo, that never again will we allow personal ego and motivated actions to influence the fate of the zone. In this regard, the Southeast will join other zones in supporting the ruling party, APC, to vote in TINUBU and to ensure his continuity. And then lastly, I'm just breaking it down. He says, we therefore urge all sons and daughters of Igbo land in the 5 eastern regions to fully embrace APC as the most effective platform for realizing our political, economic, and social aspirations. We reject the scattering of votes across multiple parties, a practice that has historically diminished our influence and bargaining power. We must align to the center. Please let me know what you have to say about this. So, what I'm not happy about what is going on from what I see, because the people that wrote this in Benjamin Kalu or Joseph Kalu, they had a meeting. I made a video about it. They had a meeting in which they sued Alex Oti, claiming that Alex Oti should not be operating from his residence, that he should be operating from the government house. They were in a government house. So, what I'm not happy about in what I've read now is that they are claiming to be the leaders of Southeast. Hey. Oh my God. How can Ojo Zakalu be kuchitere? How can Ojo Zakalu ne kuchitere ani? How can Benjamin Kalu or Kano or whatever, how can he be speaking for us? How can Teodo Oje and the rest of them be speaking for us? Please let me know what you have to say about this. We are not APC. APC is not for Southeast. I've said it before. And Southeast is not for APC. APC is for Yoruba and Fulani party. It is a wicked, evil party with their evil, wicked agenda. They do not want Igbos. They have been marginalizing Igbos for a very long time in that country. So you cannot come and tell us about aligning us to the center. Center of what? Center of what? Have they allowed Igbo person to become a president? And even what they also do is they are Benjamin and Ojo Zakalu in particular. Everything they're doing is for their own personal benefit. TINUBU go her assignment to go and make sure that they secure Southeast region for the presidential election and also for the governorship election. They promised Ojo Zakalu that they're going to make him the Senate president. They promised Benjamin that he's going to become the governor of Abia State, and that is why he's fighting Alex Oti left, right, front, and center. But I do not believe that you guys are our leaders. As a matter of fact, we do not have leaders, and that is the way it is going to be. All the political leaders that Igbo people have in that Nigeria are Fulani slaves. Yes. They have assigned them to go and conquer the remaining Southeast states, being Abia State. Even they've assigned them to go and make sure that Abia State turns APC. Anambra, I'm also hearing that Soludo is going to move to APC. But I promise you guys, this is just an individual thing that you guys are doing. At the end of the day, the people will speak for themselves. We are not for APC Fulani party, and we can never be for them. Their plan is to Islamize Southeast. And this is one of the reasons why when there was mass killing of people in Ihamufu in Enugu last year, Enugu State Governor Peter Mba did not say a word. He did not say a word. I had to go to his page when he posted something else. And see, if you are in a man in your state, are you not the chief security officer of this state? Why have you not spoken out against the mass killing of people in Ihamufu? Fulani came and burned people's villages, killed people. Governor did not say a word. I didn't even realize then that he was planning to move to APC. And that is the way it's going to be. Once you have an APC governor and something happens in that state, they won't say a word. Because he had planned Hanandi Fulani to come and give them our land. And then in return, they will give them their political ambition. Please let me know what you have to say about this. I personally, I say no to Ojo Kalu and you people's plan to Islamize Southeast. I say no to you people's plan to turn Southeast to APC. And I promise you, even that Enugu and Imo, I don't know, maybe Ebonyi State that you think that you people have converted to APC, you guys will be disappointed. That TINUBU is not going to be on the ballot box for 2027. That Trump is going to take him out. He won't be on that ballot box. You think it's a joke? Don't worry, because to the ground. Once TINUBU is out of that place, let me now see how all of you will come and realize your evil Fulani Janjaweed ambitions.